In this video, we are going to solve the spreadsheet part of paper October-November of year 2022. So let's start. Task 2 spreadsheet. You are going to create a spreadsheet for Tawara Wildlife Trust. This will display data about donations given by individuals and companies in their countries to their global conservation projects. These donations are made in the currency of that country. Tawara Wildlife Trust records their finances in Tawara dollars, so each donation must be converted into this currency. Display Tawara currency as dollar to two decimal places. Do not edit the data files provided unless instructed to do so. 1. Open and examine the files N22 donate.csv and N22 currency.csv in a spreadsheet package. Place in the footer of N22 donate file. So first we'll open the files N22 donate and N22 currency. So place in the footer N22 donate file, left align the text edited by followed by a space, then your name, center number and candidate number. So we'll go to file, the insert text, header and footer. So in the footer we'll add left align edited by space, your name, comma, center number, comma, candidate number. The right align automated file name with no file path. So in the right align, we have to put the file name without file path. We'll go to header and footer, file name only without file path. That's it. Normal. Save this file. This as a spreadsheet with the file name donate underscore followed by your center number and underscore candidate number. So we have to save this file as the file save as donate underscore your center number underscore candidate number. So by this we finish our first part. Now come to the next. Enter a formula in cell 29 to display the ISO of the currency for the country. Display in cell B29 using external file currency.csv. So E29 we have to put the formula for the ISO to display ISO of the currency for the country. Display in the B29. So E29 we have to put the formula. We have to find the ISO for this country. So we'll use VLOOKUP, lookup value country, table array. We'll use from the currency table, that will use this array. Okay. Then column index for the ISO is 1, 2. So we'll write 2 and lookup. We want exact value. So we'll use now Come to the next. Enter a formula in cell F29 to look up the exchange rate for this country using external file currency.csv. So for the exchange rate, we'll write the formula this. So again we'll use VLOOKUP. A lookup value is the exchange rate for this ISO. We'll use VLOOKUP and the country, VLOOKUP value for the country. Then table array we'll use the same array we'll use. We need column index, we need exchange rate. The exchange rate is in the 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is in the fourth column. We need exact match. So just add the exchange rate. Next, enter a formula in cell G29 to calculate donation in Tawara dollar by dividing the value in the donation in the local currency column by the exchange rate. So, local currency divided by exchange rate. And rounding this value down to 2 decimals. So, we will have to round it down. Use round down this value up to 2 decimal place. That's it. Replicate this formula entered in step 2, 3 and 4 for all donations. So we'll replicate this formula for the all. Yes. So by this we finish second to fourth up to fifth. Use cell C29 to C115 to create a named range to call to. Use cells G29 to G115 to create a named range called amount. So we'll use G29 to C115. 115 we'll select. We'll go to the formula, define name. Name will write to this workbook. Okay. And second range for G29 to G115 called amount. G29 to G115. Again we'll go to the define name. Write the name amount workbook. Okay. Take screenshot evidence of the creation of this name range and place this in your evidence document. Evidence 1 of this creation of the name range. So we'll take the screenshot for this range. So name manager, go to we'll take the screenshot this and place this in the our evidence document that we created. the evidence one. Again, we'll go to the second one, amount. We'll take again the screenshot of this and place in a document. That's it. So by this we have finished sixth also. Come to the seventh. Enter a formula in cell C7 to calculate the total of donation to this project using the project code and the named range created in step 6. So we have to calculate the total of the donation. So C7 we have to create equal, we'll use sum if range is a total donation by using this range. So sum range 2 criteria will find for the code. Then sum range is donation. So fill for that amount. Use, that's it. Total donation will search sum. If code is this, then it will search in here. If code is this, then what is the donation of that? Replicate this formula for all projects. So replicate this formula. So by this 7 also finish. Now 8th. Merge cell A1 to C1, A3 to C3, A5 to C5, and A27 to G27. A1 to C1, we have to merge the cell A1 to C1, will merge. A3 to C3 also will merge, and A5 to C5 merge, and A27 to G27. A27 to G27 will merge. Format of the top of the spreadsheet look like this. To look like this, we'll take the screenshot and we'll paste here. So we can not again and again come there. I will just use, so row 1 will increase the height, the font also it is given there. Format the merge cell row 1 and 5 have a blue background with the white text, and for the row 1 to be the 20 point height. It should be 20 point height and it should be of blue color. Increase the width. Row 2 is reduce the height, and week 1 project table also. Fourth, we'll just reduce the fourth and increase the table. Row 5. Format the merge cell row 27 so it matches to row 5. Row N1 5 and blue background with white text. So this should be blue background and text should be white. 5 also blue background, text should be white. Just increase the text size. This is little big and these are bold. Increase the size. It is in the center. This one is also this one. Left align, left align. This is right align. That's it. Row 27. Just by this we finish 8 and 9. Now come to the next 10th. Apply appropriate formatting to the values stored in the column C in the projects table and column G in the donation table. Donation table, the so we'll just increase this, we'll wrap the text of the donation table, make it in the center. That's it. Save your spreadsheet. Print your spreadsheet showing the formula. Make sure it is landscape orientation. Row and column headings are displayed. Contents of the cell are fully visible. So we save our spreadsheet. We show the formula. Show formula and see all formulas are visible or not. Yes, it is. Yes, all formulas are visible. Now we can give the print. So we'll go file, print. We'll go to page setup. Orientation should be landscape. Row and column heading should be display. Okay. So yes, and see all the formulas are displayed. Before that, we have to delete that. We forgot to delete this. We'll delete that. Now we'll give the print. Yes. Next, so by this, we'll date 12. Set the page orientation portrait. Format the text in row 28 so that it is in center, aligned both vertically and horizontally. Row 28. So we'll change the layout. It will be portrait. Okay. Then row 28. So we'll go to row 28. Yes, it is center aligned both vertically and horizontally. Format the text G28 to G28. G28 D28 to G28 so that it is wrapped, that we did before only. We did it in the vertically and horizontally aligned in the center. We wrapped the text also. Format the text in G28 so that wrapped. Make sure that the cell contents are fully visible and the left fit on a single page wide without changing the font size. So font size will not change and we have to fit in the single page. So for that we'll reduce. I think before we made it bold, so we'll reduce. We'll not make it bold. Now we'll just reduce. Yes, everything is coming in single page. Print the spreadsheet showing the values. Make sure the orientation is portrait. It fits in the single page. Content of cells are fully visible. Row and column heading are not displayed. So file, print, page setup. It is in portrait. Row and column heading should not be displayed. Header and footer is there. Yes, it is coming in the single page. All data is displayed. Yes. So we give the print. So by this we finish the second 12 and 13 also. You will extract the projects with the highest donation in week 2. Now we'll extract the donation. 14. Open and examine the file N22 week2.csv in the spreadsheet package. So we'll open the file N22 week2.csv. Place your name, center number and candidate number left aligned in the header. So in the header, insert text, header and footer, left align name, center number and the candidate number. Extract only the project with a donation of at least $15,000. So we have to put the filter here that extract the donation that are having less than $15,000. So we select, we put the filter home, filter, we put filter here greater than or equal to $15,000. So we have this. 14 done. Sort the data into descending order of the project name. So we'll sort the data according to the descending order of, for that custom sort by project name, descending order, that is Z to A. So by 15 also done. 16. Print the spreadsheet extract showing the values. Make sure the printout fits on a single page. Row and column headings are visible. Contents of cells are really visible. So we'll give it for the printing. Print should be portrait. Sheet, row and column heading should be display. Contents of cell fully visible. Okay. We have our header and footer is displaying. Okay. So we'll give print. By this we finish 16 and with this we finish our spreadsheet part. Hope you understood. Like, comment and share. Bye.